Okay, hello students. Today in chemistry we discuss second chapter, that is solution. Okay, solution is very important chapter from some point of view. Solution means it is composed of two or more components. So solution is nothing but mixing one component to another. That component may be different element, compound or mixture. So first we study classification of this solution in simple form and in phase form, and then we discuss the concentration units of expressing this percentage or expressing this percentage composition of particular element in different form. Okay, various units are there. 5-6 units we will discuss one by one. So we will start solution. Okay, solution is of two components. First one is the solute and second one is the solute. In solution, the component which is more in amount or maximum amount, that is known as solvent. Suppose we take the water, in that you add sugar or salt, then water is a solvent because amount is more in the particular solution. So that is known as solvent. The minimum amount or less amount, that is known as solute. So solution means solute plus solvent. Second, solution is classified into two types of solution: homogeneous solution and heterogeneous solution, or we say as mixture also. Homogeneous solution means concentration is constant throughout. If you add sugar in water, then that sugar will spread in whole water solution. The water solution, you taste from upper part or lower part, the concentration will be constant. So constant throughout the solution. Light will pass through it. Okay, we cannot see the particle droplets, we cannot see, or two phase difference we cannot see in the homogeneous solution. Heterogeneous solution, concentration is not constant. Concentration varies. Phase changes also. Some particles you can see in the forms of droplet. Light cannot pass through it, it will be reflect. So two type of solution is there, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Second classification is depending upon the phase. We have three phase, that is solid, liquid and gas. Depending upon that, we can classify the solution into different form. One by one we discuss all this. Okay, type of solution depending upon phase of solute and solvent. We can classify into this 9 types of solution. First one, main three types, that is gaseous solution. The gaseous solution in which solvent is gas, that is known as gaseous solution. Okay, maximum amount, that is solvent, that is gaseous, then it is gaseous solution. If solvent is liquid, then it is liquid solution, and solvent if it solid, then it is known as solid solution. So one by one, depending upon phase, we will classify it into different types of solution with example. First one, if solute is gas and solvent is gas, means we dissolve gas in gas, then that type of solution is gaseous solution. Example, different gas you mix, oxygen plus nitrogen, nitrogen plus hydrogen, all gases mixed, that is known as gaseous solution. Second, liquid you mix in gas. So you liquid chloroform you mix in nitrogen, the amount of nitrogen is more, that's why it is known as gaseous solution. Liquid in gas. Third one, solid in gas. Solid if you mix in gas, example camphor. If you mix in nitrogen or in any other gas, then that is an example of gaseous solution. Similarly, liquid solution. In liquid solution, phase is what? Liquid. So gas in liquid, liquid in liquid, and solid in liquid. Gas in liquid, different gas you dissolve in water or any liquid, then it is known as liquid solution. Oxygen in liquid, nitrogen in water. Similarly, liquid and liquid, then ethanol plus water. Ethanol you add in water, then it is known as liquid solution. Liquid, then it is known as emulsion. The word you remember, emulsion. If solute and solvent, both is liquid, then word emulsion is used. Okay, in paint, Asian paint, liquid emulsion. So emulsion meaning is dye is also liquid, and the solvent which is used, that is also liquid. Third type, that is solid in liquid, glucose plus water or sugar plus water, that is the solution, liquid solution. Third example is solid solution. Solid solution, solvent is solid. So if you mix gas in solid, example hydrogen in palladium. Okay, palladium is a solid. So if you add hydrogen in palladium, that will come under the title solid solution. Mostly in alloy industries or metallic industries, this type of solid solution are used. From that, different alloys are present. Second example is liquid in solid. So mercury in sodium. Mercury is in liquid form and sodium is in solid form. So it will form solution that is known as amalgam. Okay, sodium amalgam. If you add zinc, then zinc amalgam. So word amalgam means mercury solution. But here in the solid solution, so mercury we have taken is less amount. The whole mixture or whole solution look like solid. Last example is solid and solid. So in solid and solid, example is alloy. So you mix different metal. As for example, copper and gold and silver. Okay, stainless steel. So these are all alloys. So these are the example of solid solution. Third topic of the day, that is concentration unit. Concentration unit of this solute and solvent will derived upon the percentage or the amount of solute added in different solvent. So one by one we will discuss that concentration unit. Okay, now we discuss about concentration units. First concentration unit is mass percentage. Concentration unit mostly depend upon amount of solute in solution, or what is the amount of solute and what is the amount of solvent. First one is mass percentage. It is designated as percentage weight by weight. So mass percentage is equal to mass of solute upon total mass of solution into 100. So weight of component A upon weight of component A plus B plus C, whatever it is. So weight of total component into 100. Similarly, second unit is volume percentage. Volume percentage is equal to volume of solute. So here we have to consider volume. Volume of solute upon volume of solution into 100. So it is designated by percentage V by V. It is designated by V1 by Vt into 100. V1 means mass or volume of component 1 divided by total volume into 100. Similarly, mass by volume percentage. Mass by volume. Percentage W by V. Weight by volume. That is mass. So percentage weight by volume is equal to mass of solute upon volume of solution. So your mass, your weight we have to take, and your volume we have to take into 100. That is the percentage weight by volume. Another unit is ppm, part per million. part per million means ppm, milligram of solute in 10⁶ times solution. So if the amount is very less, then we have to use ppm unit, part per million, weight of solute upon weight of solution multiplied by 10⁶ unit, 10⁶, then it is ppm. Another ppm unit you can derive as milligram per liter. Remember this word milligram per liter in terms of this weight by volume. Milligram means weight, liter means volume. So milligram per liter, then it is also ppm. Microgram per ml, then it is also ppm. Milligram per liter or microgram per ml, that is equal to ppm, part per million. Another unit number 5, that is mole fraction. Instead of weight and volume, if you take mole fraction, component mole of solute upon total mole of solutions A plus B plus C, whatever, that is equal to mole fraction. So 5th unit is mole fraction. Another unit is simple unit that you have studied in 11th standard, that is normality. Okay, normality, molarity, formality. Normality means mole per liter. Normality means what? Mole per liter. So normality N is equal to mole, weight upon molecular weight, plus we have to consider liter of solution, the mole per liter of solution. Normality is equal to what? Mole per liter. Similarly, molarity, also mole per liter of solution. Next is about molality. So in this chapter, you have to give more important to molality. Molality means mole per kg of solvent. Mole per kg of solvent. This normality, molarity and molality we discuss again in our next class. Okay, next lecture we discuss normality. So again I revise molality last week. Molality means mole per kg of solvent. So instead of solution we have to take mole per kg of solvent. Solvent you have to consider, and then all property we will discuss. So you write this all 3 topics. First one is classification, simple classification and phase classification, and third one is different units from percentage factor, percentage weight by weight, percentage volume by volume, percentage weight by volume, normality, molarity, ppm, and last one is molality, symbol is small m. Okay, you revise this, write in your notebook, and then we discuss in next session about the sum, how to find particular concentration if certain amount of data is given. Okay, thank you.